Installation was fast and easy, more so because I already had a drinking faucet installed. All I had to do was screw in the adapter for the in-out water line. The tap water in MN is already very alkaline at about 9. I was hoping to get a pH of 11, however, it only goes as far as about 10 for pH. It is okay. I was looking for more ionization. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. After having been drinking daily ionized water, I can feel a big change in my health. I highly recommend getting an ionizer for water. A high-quality ionizer from good US brand at great price. It is a good alternative to Kangen ionizer. I installed separated 15 stages shower filter to eliminate fluoride and other impurities that the included carbon filter from this ionizer cannot remove. This shower filter also keeps the machine last longer for working less to filter out less impurities. You need to go to Home Depot and buy extra 1/4 3/8 hose, 1/4 to 3/8 tube converter and 2 fittings for the shower filter. The test result on pH level is good. pH level is at 10.2 when I set the machine level at maximum pH level. However, the ORP is only at -165 mV to -170 mV. The advertisement claims the machine can reach -600 mV. Although, at this price point, -170 mV is good enough. Antioxidant level is equal to good green tea. I've owned an Airwater Life ionizing water machine since July of 2018 and I've had great experience with the Aqua Beauty 5.0 water system, which I believe is their cheapest and most economical model. I wanted something affordable while at the same time being effective, and I wanted it for the purposes of producing great-tasting alkaline water, which my mother-in-law turned me on to after her $3,000 purchase of a Korean brand alkaline water machine. I was skeptical of alkaline water at first, and I condemned the purchase given the great expense. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. After having her water when visiting her home in Sacramento and experiencing the hydration, smoother, flatter, taste, and overall sense of well-being associated with being able to drink more water, I was hooked. The Aqua Beauty 5.0 machine seemed to be a nice compromise between cost and purpose. So I went for it and didn't look back from there. The machine seemed to output great-tasting water for several years. The pH tested very well in the beginning when I bought the unit, and then, maybe 6 months back, the taste had gone worse despite me replacing the filter, and upon checking the pH, I observed that it was not changing after traversing. The pH at the outlet of the machine and at the outlet of the ionizer, where acid water is expected to drain, was exactly the same and was in agreement with the source water, (6.5 to 7) using the more highly sensitive pH indicator droplets. I did confirm the readings with 2 different pH test solutions, where one was less accurate, didn't exhibit as much color change as the other, but the relative difference again was none, which told me that something wasn't right with the machine's operation. I immediately reached out to Mason Hendricks at Airwater Life, and he was extremely supportive of my inquiry. He offered to have me send back the unit to him free of charge, just pay the shipping, and he would ensure that I was provided promptly with a working unit. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. And that's exactly what he did. I sent the unit in via FedEx and got another unit, still the same model, or a very slightly different model from the one I originally had bought, within days. Upon receiving it, I was surprised to receive an extra descaling kit, new pH testing kit, replacement filter, new water tubing, new faucet fixture, and a new instruction manual. I used the pH test kit to confirm that the unit was working effectively. It is now producing alkaline water at high levels, 7 to 10, depending on the setting, and it is generating acid water at the outlet, 4 to 5, which confirms for me that it works. I also verified using my other pH testing solution. I am very happy again with the taste of my water now, and I am still the proud owner of an affordable and excellent machine that I hope will continue to output great tasting alkaline water for years to come. Even if that's not the case though, I am happy to know that Air Waterlife is just an email or a phone call away to assist me with getting my machine up and working again. Small update on July 13, 20 *, I added a few images of my Alkaline machine setup so people can get an idea of how I installed this. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.